I'm so lucky. I've got a Yeti SB150. Now I've ridden this bike before with a Float X2 on the back. I only really did a run of it, a couple of runs of it, and didn't get much time to really get it set up, and I wasn't overly impressed with it. It had 175 cranks, it was a little bit out of sorts, everything felt a little bit big, and it's a large as well, so it's a 480, I'll double check, I think it's about a 485-ish reach, 480 something, so it's a long bike. It had the 36s on it at the time, I believe. So now we're decked to the hills. We're absolutely decked to the hills. Fox38, 760 bars, carbon envy bars, so plastic fantastic. 175 dropper post, Fox transfer. Push 11.6 coil, so allegedly the bee's knees of coils. We'll see. I've never ridden on a push, so just bouncing around and setting it up. It was quite heavily over damped. So I've opened up the damping a fair bit in the downhill mode. So it's got a downhill mode and a climbing mode, and they're both completely adjustable, fully adjustable, which is pretty cool if you like tinkering. 165 cranks, of course. 200mm XT Ice Tech rotors front and rear with XT 4-pot calipers and XT levers. So excellent brakes. So if you ignore the wandering bite point, the XTs are, I think, allegedly known for having, and I haven't really experienced it too much, but they definitely, by the sounds of it, it's a common problem. If you ignore that, the brakes are ridiculously strong. Exo Plus at the back, so hopefully that survives the first corner. Cush core as well, so that's cool. That'll give it a little bit of a chance at least. The DHR2 in Exo or Exo Plus are the easiest tyre to tear that I've ever come across outside of a pure XC tyre. I've put my Max Grip on the front, brand new one. So come with a Max Terra DHF on the front, which is cool, good trail tyre. But for me, ultimate security up front, Max Grip. You want more grip. I don't want to be crashing on my head or my face. So I want that grip there, and you know, I just want to be able to ride with more confidence. We got the little 1-up tool as well. Check this out. Mini 1-up tool, so you don't have to thread the steer tube. I've just heard that Fox, maybe, this is just, I'm not sure whether this is right or wrong, maybe Fox aren't warranting forks anymore if they've been threaded for a 1-up tool. So I don't know if that's across the board, Fox, RockShox, MRP, everybody, but just a heads up, it might be detrimental to your warranty. So this little sucker's killer. It's no threading, no nothing. It's just the star nut goes a little bit deeper, and it's all good. It's cool. So it's decked to the hills. Massive shout out to Frameskin, frameskin.com. So this bike's decked top to bottom with Frameskin, and I really like this this protection. It covers absolutely everything. It's etched out really, really well. It's cut out really well. The application, the owner of this bike has applied it absolutely meticulously. It looks killer. It looks flawless. The frame itself, carbon frame, is just a beautiful, absolutely beautiful finish. Yeti are known for doing a killer job there anyway. So we've got a WTB bolt on the top, so that'll be comfy. I've tilted it forward a fair bit and slid it forward. Seems like it's in a good spot. XO1 drivetrain. Oval chainring, which someone just asked me a question recently about the oval chainrings. And you know, this is another chance for oval to change my mind, because I'm not into them. I'm not really into them. Not into the extra load it puts on your derailleur. It's like, and I know it's incremental, it's tiny, but it's constantly pulling on your derailleur. So I was putting, you know, it's just putting more miles on your clutch. Some people say it makes the clutch go squeaky. I don't know. I don't like that it's only secure at one part. It's only vertically secure. The chain's only vertically secure at 2 parts of that chainring. So for me, left foot forward, it's pretty secure there. It's upright, so that's cool. But if I was pedaling through a choppy section and it bounced up and off, who knows? So it's just less secure. It's not insecure. It's not unsecure, but it's less secure. So not into the ovals, and I really don't get any benefit out of climbing out of an oval, but we'll touch on that more after I spend more time on it, because I'm going to do a heap of climbing on this bike. and hopefully get it set up for him so that it's absolutely singing and he can just get on and send it. I think he's having a little bit of a hard time getting that absolute sweet spot, so let's see if we can get it swinging. Oh, also, it's got a 32mm stem, so it's brought that reach right in for me. It's going to feel like a long wheelbase. It's a 1258, I think, wheelbase, but quite a short reach. So, quite a short stem to bring that reach in a little bit, which is cool. So, I'm very, very interested to see how this bike handles and how it plays. Without further ado, get on.